I joined coding because I found it interesting.
I joined coding because it's been given to me as an opportunity to learn new skills.
I joined Code Hero because I wanted to take up this opportunity to learn coding and to learn coding because firstly I've always been interested in coding, but I was never given the opportunity to take up a class like this.
I joined Code Hero because it taught us something that we needed for our CCA. Our CCA, we are supposed to be doing robotics, but before we do that, we're supposed to learn coding so we can understand the language.
I first joined because recently before I joined, I was watching a documentary about coding, and I was like, wow, it looks very interesting. And then suddenly the opportunity popped up, which is this Code Hero. So I decided to join. I joined Code Hero because when I got the message that there was a free session, I find it interesting because I never heard of this coding thing before. And then I also look up courses in Poly, and they have this coding and like something related to making websites, and I want to join courses in Poly, so I take this Code Hero.
I have learned a few fundamentals of coding. Firstly, we have learned about HTML,
HTML,
CSS.
Making a few like calculator, CSS,
JavaScript, CSS,
and there's a website.
JavaScript.
HTML, JavaScript, HTML, JavaScript.
You cannot usually see the product of what we are doing unless we see the website. So it's quite a headache to understand what we are typing up.
Definitely the number one challenge would be to have enough time to prepare for the material itself, to ensure that the kids will be coming and know what to expect, and also in managing the mentors to ensure that there will be enough mentors every session.
I think in general, teaching coding is not very easy for people who are not maybe didn't do any coding before. I mean, it's a totally new language people have to learn. So even with older students, younger students in Code Hero, it's a challenge just to start teaching that, but these students do get it in the end, so I think that's pretty rewarding.
The challenges that I face because I tried to explain a lot of theoretical stuff, more theory lah, because it's very difficult for them to understand. So I need to be very realistic in terms of the current context, such as to give analogy of what they have learned through, because they are madrasah students, so maybe have a link of what they have been learning, because they took the academic and also the Islamic studies.
I enjoy the code along sessions the most, and like the projects they give us. Like for just now, we had to calculate our exam result average. So I like the part where we had to do it on our own for mentors.
For me, it's really about sharing the knowledge with the kids and seeing how there's also fellow mentors who are passionate in sharing with the kids itself.
I really enjoy teaching. I really enjoy talking to the kids and seeing how they're so interested in everything. Students are awesome. Teaching is awesome.
I enjoy most about Code Hero because I'm passionate about teaching the programming language itself, because I have vast experience about coding, and I would like to spread knowledge about coding to those who are still learning, and I hope that the message that I've sent is really encouraging for them.
My mentor, she's not coming anymore. So thank you so much for teaching me until now for 7 weeks.
To mentors itself, I really appreciate that they have been sacrificing their Saturdays, and even beyond that, because they have been communicating to the mentees after their sessions to share knowledge to them and so on. And to the kids itself, I really hope that they persevere throughout the training. They have learned so much. I know some of my friends who are in computer science and so on, doing our degrees and diplomas, who doesn't even know certain things that these kids are learning. So I really hope that they persevere on, and the skills that they will be getting will be worth it lah, for them to be able to create something out of it, inshallah, afterwards.
I have 2 teams. One of my team, they're very strong and they're very fast, so they've started doing their own. So I want to give a message to them saying that I'm so proud of you guys, and I'm sorry I couldn't spend too much time with you guys, but I'm glad you guys are learning very fast. And my current team right now, that I'm working with much closely, jayo, we can do this. Yeah.
So I like the students to really persevere and not to give up, because even me myself have faced a lot of challenges when I try to code, and I hope that they can put it through and really have a great impact to the community and also to the society itself.